Hotpot lovers, alam nyo ba na may unlimited shabu-shabu buffet for only 758 pesos? At hindi lang sabaw ang unlimited. This is the weekday lunch promo ng Tongyang Plus. And you can choose between unlimited shabu-shabu or grilled only kung hindi ka mahilig sa sabaw. And look at everything you can get. Unlimited meats, seafood, hotpot balls, veggies, mushrooms, noodles, drinks, coffee, soda, desserts, plus cooked food options, all for 90 minutes. Since rainy season na, alam nyo naman ang craving ko lately, mainit na sabaw. So, I went for their satay soup and look how cute this setup is. Perfect for one. Actually, ang ganda nito kapag magkakaiba kayo ng soup preference kasi you can enjoy your own flavor without having to compromise. And of course, seafood girly ako, so ito talaga yung unang pinuntahan ko. Plus unlimited cheese balls, yes please. Usually, I make my own hot pot sauce pero this time I tried the Tongyang's blend. And surprisingly, ang sarap and bagay na bagay sa hot pot. First time ko sa Tongyang Plus at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, and I love the spacious, organized setup. So, kung craving mo ang hotpot pero gusto mong sulit ang bayad, try their 758 weekday lunch promo. Naku, siguradong busog ka!